Alright, welcome back. This is part 2 of a two-part series of how to image a hard drive using FTK and also connecting it to a computer using a write blocker. So if you missed the first part, go ahead and at the end of this video there's a link to the part 1, or in the description you can see there's a link for part 1 as well if you want to see a write blocker connecting to a SATA drive and how to get that set up. Alright, so now that we have the hard drive connected to our write blocker and the write blocker is connected to our computer, you can go ahead and open up FTK Imager, and we can go ahead and add evidence items just so you can see that the drive is there. It's our 2 terabyte drive, which I need to plug in the USB cable here. Just 1 minute. We might have to close this out. Let's try that again. So we go to File, Add Evidence Item, click on Physical, and you can now see our Seagate 2 terabyte drive. So you can just quickly add this just to see that the drive is there, and you can see the partitions if there are partitions, but this drive was recently wiped, so now let's try to create an image. So we go to File and create this image. Usually you want to do a logic drive, because you just want to select the OS partition to make the image of that. But in this instance, the drive is fresh and wiped, so we want to do the physical drive since we won't have any partitions to select. So click on Physical Drive, click Next, go to our Seagate 2 terabyte drive, click Finish. Now here you want to make sure you have the 2 options, verify images checked, which is a good thing. Once the image is done being made, it'll actually re-verify that image MD5 hash to make sure it's all said and done. The pre-calculate progress, you want to make sure that's checked as well so you can see the progress of the image being made and the speed as it's going, which is a good indicator. So let's go ahead and add destination, where we're going to select EO1, and then we're going to select the destination and set up the evidence item information. So this is just a demo case. We'll just put this is the first item of the case. Unique description, we can do Seagate 2 terabyte SATA internal drive. I like to put 3.5 inch. Examiner, you do your initials, notes. You like to do the serial number of the hard drive, but you can even go even further, and if it was a desktop, brand, make, and model, all that. If there's a service tag at the device, anything that ties it to a unique description is good for both the notes and unique description. So once you have that, you hit Next. The compression you want to set for 0. 4096 is what you want for your fragment size. These are just best practices, but you can set whatever you want. The image name, I usually do the serial number of the device. Like I said, this is a demo, so I'm just kind of putting random stuff. So let's go ahead and click on Browse. Once we click on Browse, I'm clicking the C drive, clicking OK. Usually you want to select like an external hard drive that you would image to, but in this instance it's just a demo, so I'm just selecting my C drive. And we click Finish, and then you hit Start. And you can now see the image is running, and you can see how fast it's running, which is nice to have. And then once this is done, you're going to have an EO1 file of a forensic image of this hard drive, which you can use EnCase, Xways, FTK, any other forensic software that's out there to mount that image and do a forensic investigation, whether that's searching for something on the hard drive or trying to recover deleted files off that hard drive. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below.